Hello friends, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Logical Aspirants, where you become aspirant which is a logical one. So here we'll see a comprehensive plan for CSIR, SO, ASO. Now as you know, the exam dates have come from 5th of February to 28th of February. So now the time is very less. We are only left with 15 to 20 odd days. So it's now time to hurry up. So in order to simplify that, I have come up with a comprehensive plan to help you revise your entire syllabus. And this is the plan which I have brought for you. This is the entire plan. I will tell you how this plan works. But before that, you have to remember that you have to watch the entire video. Do watch the entire video in order to understand this. And trust me, in this 15 days, you are going to revise your entire syllabus. And this is my promise that I'll make you revise the entire syllabus. So just be with me in this video. आपको बस देखते रहना है how we'll go about it. Now again, there will be two kinds of aspirants. First, who are done with most of the subjects, and in subjects mainly the major subjects which does not include QRE, that is quant, reasoning and English. And second will be those who are stuck midway. So आपका सिलेबस पूरा खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Now I have got you both covered in this plan. दोनों के लिए प्लान है. Of course they will be easy for this kind of people who are already done, and this kind of people who are already stuck in between, they will have to work harder now. Now let's see how the plan goes. Again, this plan will be for next 15 to 20 days. It will start from tomorrow, that is 18th of Jan, and it will go up to around 2nd to 4th of Feb. Now I have tried to keep it until 2nd, but in some cases it might go up to 4th for those who have not yet prepared. तो जिनका भी एग्जाम पीछे पड़ता है, at least above 10th of Feb, जिनका भी 10 फरवरी के बाद पड़ता है एग्जाम, for them it is very essential to follow this plan, as this will help them in completing the syllabus comprehensively. जिनका 5 से 10 के बीच में पड़ता है, उन्हें थोड़ी जल्दी से कवर करना पड़ेगा. They will be left with lesser time, so they will have to hurry up a bit. Now let's head to the plan. Now see, here is the plan. So what you have to do, there is an entire day mentioned here. Now as you can see, the plan starts from management. Now the starting date for the plan is 18th. So as you can see, it will start from 18th of this month. Now again the plan goes up till, you can see, it goes up till 2nd, and it might extend, if you covered current affairs till now, it might extend up to 3 to 4th of Feb, depending upon your preparation. So this is a comprehensive plan. This may take you up to 3rd or 4th of Feb, but trust me, it will surely help you. So let's see how it goes. Now I have started with management because it is a relatively easy subject. Now the entire subjects that I have mentioned here, for example management to ethics, decision making, science, these all subjects and the subjects following them, the priority of the subject is based on its return on investment. So the subjects are arranged in terms of them giving you the ROI, that is return on investment. Now of course reading a single PDF for management, decision making, general science and ethics would be way easier than reading a comprehensive syllabus of geography or history or polity for that matter. So these subjects are relatively bigger. So instead of covering them, what I have kept the easier ones, क्योंकि questions सबसे बराबर आने वाले हैं. I'll show you how it goes. Now if you see, you can see in paper 1, this entire part will give you 100 marks. So there are around 3 papers here. इसमें 3 part हैं. First is history, second is polity, then IR, then current affairs. So there will be 4 parts of 100 marks. So around 25 marks per subject. Now reading a very big subject like history and polity, उसके लिए सिर्फ 25 मार्क्स के लिए इतने बड़े सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ना जैसे कि पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री इज वे मोर टफर in comparison to if we see this syllabus that are smaller one. For example, you see general science, छोटा syllabus relatively, and you will get 25 marks for this. Again, the syllabus of ethics, it is very small, just one PDF, and you will get 25 marks for this. The same goes for decision making, one PDF, and for management, one PDF. So just reading few pages, it is very easy and you will get 25 marks each in it. सो अगर आप यहाँ देखें, जनरल साइंस, मैनेजमेंट, एथिक्स एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग, दे विल गिव यू 100 marks. And if you read entire history plus polity plus IR plus current affairs, they will give you 100 marks. So definitely you can clearly see कि इनको पढ़ना बहुत easy है relatively if you have to score 100 marks. Now after that, if you see the order of priority, कैसे हमें पढ़ना है, then I would say your first priority should be management, second should be decision making, third ethics, fourth general science, fifth you can take geography, sixth should be your environment part, seventh should be your polity, eighth should be your IR, ninth should be your economy, 10th should be your history, and at 11th position current affairs should come, because you are never sure कि क्या current affair आएगा. The syllabus for current affair is this, but the questions will come only from this part, so you'll have to cover the entire part. So ये excess wastage of time है, and seeing the paucity of time now, you should hunt for the most ROI subjects. So I have kept multiple days for this. For example, for the management part, I have kept 2 days, that is on 18th and 19th of this month. So there will be a single PDF given to you which will cover entire management part. Now this PDF can easily be covered, of course, in the course that we are running in the group CSIR 2023 SO, which is a free course. In this course, we have already covered the management part, and most of the people who are there, around 1600 people are there, more than that. So they have already covered the management part. Even if not, then they can be covered in 2 additional days that are given to them. So 2 दिन में ये आराम से हो जाएगा management part. After that, what we have to do? After that, we will see the ethics part. Now again, there will be a single PDF for ethics, and you are given 1 day, because क्योंकि ये एक दिन में हो जाएगा. The syllabus is not much. For example, if we see the syllabus, let us now the syllabus of ethics is not very big. It is a very small syllabus relatively. If you see the syllabus of polity, history, by the length of the syllabus, you can easily see how big it is. For example, this is polity. You see how big it is. So just by the length of the syllabus only, it is apparent that ethics is relatively very easy. Now this is a syllabus which is 1/6 that of UPSC, or even lesser, but people think that we have to read the entire ethics of UPSC. That makes it tougher. ज़्यादा पढ़ना नहीं हमें. Now this entire part is a very small part. This entire can be covered only in single PDF. And how you'll get that PDF? That you leave it to me. I will cover that. So this entire can be covered in just one single PDF. That is why I have kept it higher in the priority. Now management is done, ethics is done. Now next in the priority is decision making. Again, I have given you 1 day for decision making, but because decision making is very easy, again there is a single PDF already given in the group. Which group? @CSIR 2023 SO. This is the name of the group where the entire course is running, free course for CSIR SO. So you can go and check it in the link. The entire link is given in the description. So if you see the syllabus of decision making, again you can see that syllabus of decision making is also nothing big. It is a very, very small syllabus, so it can easily be covered in 1 day. Again, there is a smarter way of doing this. It can be covered in 1 day, and also the application parts would be important here, because you see the nature of syllabus. They have given that identify the solutions and give the best solution. So definitely it will be an application based paper. We are doing that also. That will also be covered in the course that is running, and the preparation that is going on in this group. Everything you will get in that group. So you just have to go to the group @CSIR 2023 SO, and you will get that. Or you can go to the Telegram channel @logical aspirants, and you will get everything there. So you have to just head to this Telegram channel and you will get everything related to CSIR there. अगर मैं आगे देखूँ, yes. Now next is the general science. Again, it is a single PDF. It will be given in the group. So you can join the group or the Telegram channel @logical aspirants. You just join this Telegram channel and you'll get everything related to this exam, all the PDFs. Now again, I have given 2 days for this. Now why 2 days for general science? Because it covers the syllabus of 11th and 12th also. So this makes it a bigger syllabus. Although it is not a big syllabus, क्योंकि आपको पढ़ना बस 1 से 2 PDF है, 1 to 2 PDF. That will be given in the group, and you will just be done with it. Non-science students को थोड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है, but even this can be done smartly. So we'll discuss that in the group. Now those who are not part of that group, we already have a discussion session there. and we keep doing the discussion session in some time. In that we'll discuss the entire pattern, how we need to study, how we have to cover the syllabus in the easiest possible manner. So everything is a part of the course. You can go and join that. It is very easy. Now if we see next, the next part is the polity. Of course, after all the subjects, the most rewarding one is the polity. Now you don't have to hunt for the entire Lakshmikant book. The most important parts would be constitutional bodies, statutory bodies, fundamental rights, DPS. Now if you see this, there is a single PDF in the channel which consists of all constitutional bodies. The entire constitutional body is covered in just one PDF. Again the same, there will be a second PDF containing all statutory bodies in the channel. You can go and check this. All statutory bodies in one single PDF. You don't have to hunt for resource, just one single PDF. Now where you will get this? Again the same Telegram channel, Logical Aspirants. This is your one-stop solution for CSIRSO. Now if you see, again after covering these two PDFs, this can be done easily in around, I would say 3 to 4 hours would be more than enough for this. Now next if you see, there is this fundamental right chapters. Now again there will be a PDF given that will cover it briefly, and DPSP part. I think there is some typing error. It should be DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy. So this part has to be covered. Now most important part, Parliament, it has to be covered. I think this is repeated. Now again Panchayati Raj, state legislatures has to be covered. Now you don't have to hunt for entire Lakshmikant, same as UPSC aspirants. There is order of preference of chapters in that will be given in the group. Again you have to go to the Telegram channel, everything is given, and you have to prepare accordingly. You don't have to hunt blindly for the entire syllabus. Now I have given 2 days for this, of course, because it is a slightly bigger one. So these two parts can be done in 3 to 4 hours. Now fundamental rights can be done in the rest of the day along with DPSP. Now how you have to do it smartly, that will be told in the group. So ये सब मिला के it will take you around 1 day. In the next day you can do rest of the part like Panchayati Raj, Parliament, State Legislature, etc. This can be done in 1 day because you don't have to mug entire details like UPSC aspirants. It can be done smartly. Now if you see the syllabus of polity, I have kept it into 3 parts. First part is this one, up to Parliament. This is the first part that will take you along. This is the first part that will take you around 1 day, and the next part, that is the constitutional and statutory bodies, this part should take you around half of the day, and again this social welfare part, this will take you around half of the day. So altogether it should take you not more than 2 days. Now it is not an exaggerated one, 2 दिन में किया जा सकता है very easily. Now the social justice part, some people were having the issue regarding social justice or social welfare part. Now how you have to do this? This is already discussed in detailed manner in the last video of my channel, that is by the name of Aspirants Podcast. एक वीडियो है Aspirants Podcast के नाम से. You can go and check that video. It covers a very detailed strategy regarding all the subjects. तो उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा the detailed strategy to cover the social justice part. Also it will be given in the group now, so you can join the group. Now if you see next, the next is the geography part. Now again I have given only single day for geography. Why single day? Because this part has already been covered in our group. So this part is already done. So most of the people are already done with this. So I have given only 1 day for this. Again, if you are not done with this, you can go ahead with the lucent part, and it can easily be done. Now again, how you have to cover this, किन chapters को आपको priority देनी है, again that is covered in the Aspirants Podcast video, or you can go and check it in the group. So you can get the idea किन को priority देनी है, so that you can strategize your preparation smartly. Because again, this is the channel called Logical Aspirants. So here there should not be anyone who should not follow the logic while preparing, because unless you follow a good logic, a detailed comprehensive logic, you won't be able to crack the exam. So you have to do everything logically, because logic is very important. Now again, if you see next, I have given the part of economy. Now how you have to do, just you leave it to me. You'll be given 2 days to complete this, and 2 days would be enough. I am sure 2 days would be enough to cover this subject. you can leave it to me. Same for environment, you can leave it to me. Again, I've given 2 days, and what you have to cover in this, that is given in the aspirants podcast video. You can go and check the entire video. The same goes for history and current affairs part. Now these two will be the least priority क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा है, इनका ROI बहुत कम है, so you can leave it. And again, you can leave the sources and everything to me. This will be covered at the appropriate time, and by 3rd of Feb your syllabus will be done, entire revision will be done. You just have to do one thing, you just have to have faith on me, and everything would be covered. Don't worry, trust me, and everything would be covered. You don't need to hunt anywhere, just have faith on me. So it will be covered. How you have to do, कैसे करना है, PDF कहाँ से मिलेगा, क्या होगा, you just leave everything to me. All you have to do is nothing but head to the channel @logical aspirants. This is the channel, your one-stop solution, and the group CSIR 2023 SO. So this is the ultimate solution for all your problems. Now again, in this PDF, after you are done, you should go and click this, and you just check. Once you are done, you can click on done, so it will show you done. Again, suppose you are not done and you are ongoing, so you can keep it in progress, that yes, I am preparing this. Again, if you have skipped this part, then you can skip this part, so that you can do it at the last based on your priority. So this is the smart planner that you can use to track your progress in the entire revision session. Now again, where you will get all the PDFs in this particular Telegram group. This is the group that is your one-stop solution for all your problems, and this is the Telegram channel where you need to join us for the entire revision session. So if you join this Telegram channel and that particular group, you will be done with your entire revision session. Everything will go very smoothly. This is the link for downloading all the PDFs and the entire strategy, and everyone is going there. Now already we have more than 1600 people who are taking advantage of this plan, and if you don't go ahead, you will certainly lag behind. So you don't have to lag behind. Go and join those 1600 people, and you'll be good to go. You just have to have faith on us that yes, there will be an entire revision plan. There will be discussions in between. You'll be given revision session. You'll be given free mock tests, all the PDFs, etc. Everything will be given in the group. You just have to go and join the group and the Telegram channel. That's it. Thank you.